It's
just
everything.
make it work, whatever it happens to be today.
Everything from vendor relations to infrastructure to troubleshooting, machining something that there's only like one paper on how to machine it.
I think too big. He gets stuck in little details and he thinks about how to physically make the thing. If I think too big and it's not possible to make it, he'll say something.
We all know how to run a CNC mill, but one of us is actually a machinist.
The graduate class, they have a few lectures in their graduate AM class, and then they're basically just given to us and they have to meet our standards for doing graduate level work. So it's harder for them.
Education is that gradual realization of ignorance. A lot of folks hear about 3D printing and they think, easy button print, make model, put in machine. No.
This is a metal 3D printer. It's a particular type of printing called laser directed energy deposition. For practical applications, this process is used in industrial production, typically for surface coatings.
We have $800,000 machines, so the level of trust we need to get to with the students is pretty high.
This is 30 going on $40 million of investment over the last 6 years. A speck of dust is all it takes. You could probably see that on camera to start melting these lenses. It only takes a little mistake. It only takes a little bit of dust or hitting the buttons in the wrong order, and you can absolutely brick these machines. You forget what little things and what big things people just don't know. So it's teaching everything from that's a flange clamp all the way up to, and this is a 1 kilowatt laser that shoots out light all focused through all these lenses. Here's how to check all the lenses for damage.
There's a lot of background skills. The breadth of that skill set, we have to impart a good portion of that to everybody that comes through the space.
You're never going to come in and have a normal day.
It's never boring.
It is never boring.